Crassula ovata, generally known as the jade plant or the money tree, is a popular succulent plant from South Africa that grows very well here in Australia, either indoors or out. It's a slow grower, and a small specimen bought in a pot will take around 10 to 15 years to reach the size of these two plants seen here. They're very versatile plants, being able to handle both sun and shade, though they will be bushier and more colourful in full sun. The oval-shaped leaves developing an attractive reddish edge the more direct sun it gets. They produce clusters of small pinky white star-shaped flowers from autumn and through into winter. Being a succulent, they can withstand periods of drought and require little maintenance. And they're very easy to propagate. Just snip off a stem, allow it to dry off for a few days, then pop it into a very well-drained coarse potting mix and firm it down. Water once every 10 days or so and assure the water drains freely away. As with all succulents, they're prone to rot and mealybugs, so ensure they're never overwatered or allowed to sit in boggy soils. Crassula ovata is a valued plant for feng shui. Have one by your front door to ensure money flows into your house. But they do say having one by your back door will cause money to flow out. Perhaps though that's more a feature of having children.